you know about planets?
Yes, I know about planets.
Now tell me, how many planets are there in our solar system?
You know, Lisa,
There are so many plants in our garden.
like lily plant, like rose plant, like mint plant, like lemon plant.
What? Plants? I'm talking about planets, not plants.
Now I tell you about planets.
Our solar system is made up of stars. 8 planets and countless smaller bodies. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune, Earth, Saturn, Pluto. These are our planets.
Oh, अब समझ आया.